This is what we looking like. I'm about to do my little workout. Miss Ronnie. Hey guys, if you know, you know, but if you don't, my name is Tiffany and I'm on a 40-pound weight loss journey. So we are now into week 17 and today is Tuesday. Yesterday, y'all, food, terrible. Like, I did terrible with the food yesterday as far as like eating pattern, all that stuff. Y'all know I'm on a ketogenic lifestyle. Not yesterday. I don't know what it was, but back on track. Not gonna beat myself up about it. It's a new day. Let's just keep it moving. So today, Tuesday, is my ADF day. So that stands for alternate day fasting. If you're not familiar, this week I will be doing an alternate day fast today on Tuesday and then again on Thursday. So 2 times again this week. We did it twice last week and we did drop 3.2 pounds. We're gonna find out if we can achieve at least somewhere similar of that same achievement as last week, this week, even with the bad eating day yesterday. So we'll see what happens on Saturday on weigh-in day. But I just pulled up to Kroger, about to go inside of there, grab a few things. So far it's around almost 2 o'clock and I'm starting to feel a little hunger, but I'm not starving. Like, I'm just a little bit hungry. Like, it's that clock hunger. I'm past, my 12 o'clock eating time. We're approaching 2 o'clock. I'm used to being about to eat or have already eaten by now. So that's all that is. So we're gonna run inside of this store. I have a few things to grab, mainly for my family. And it's just hard because if you have to end up cooking or something like that because of your family and you're not eating, it's hard. So I'm trying to decide. See, the thing is, I bought my family food yesterday, so I'm trying to decide whether I'm gonna end up buying them food again today or if I'm actually gonna cook. But regardless to what, I still have to grab a few things out of the store. So even for tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm definitely cooking. I cannot wait to eat tomorrow already, but I'm gonna make it through the day, no problem. So let's run up in the store. I'm just grabbing just a few things, y'all, but I might as well take y'all along for the ride. All right. Okay, so I'm waiting for my omelet. I'm finally getting to the end of my fasting window. Right now it's like 10 minutes till 1. So I've been fasting now for like going on 39 hours. By the time I get home, it'll be a little bit over 39 hours. So that's good enough for me. Like, I'm ready to eat. I got off of work at a decent time today. So I'm just getting this omelet. And that's about it. Like, I'm a little hungry, but nothing crazy. Like, and I'm contemplating doing 3 days in a week, because not this week because I'm doing Tuesday, Thursday this week, but just in general, like if I do this again next week, I'm thinking I might do 3 days, because I can, like, I feel like like your schedule, and like how you, like, how things usually go for you. Like, I know I can't do a Saturday, I can't do a Sunday. Like, I'm not even going to, like, I'm not even gonna try to convince myself that I can. I'll just say Saturdays, Sundays are out. So I don't really like doing Mondays, but I will do a Monday. So I feel like, and I can definitely do a Friday. I feel like I could do a Monday, Wednesday, Friday, be able to eat Saturday, Sunday, and be good, you know? Like, you figure if I did Monday, Wednesday, Friday, that means I would not, wait, yeah. So if I fasted all day for alternate day fast, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, that means I would be able to eat Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. That's pretty good. I'm contemplating that. Still, y'all, like, if you are contemplating, like, you're on that edge and you're trying to think, like, dang, can I do it? Can I not do it? I really feel like if you have been doing the 16-8 method for a little while, you've done OMAD here and there, and maybe even a 2MAD in a shorter window here and there, and you felt fine, I feel like you can do an alternate day fast. Now, don't forget, I'm no professional, but just from my personal experience and the experience that I know from others, it just seemed like, you know, like, if you have done 16-8 method and it's simple for you, and then you have done quite a few like OMAD days, even some 2MAD days where you're eating in a shorter window, usually you don't really have too much of a problem doing an alternate day fast. And it's a lot of benefits for that, and it, you know, it's a lot of stuff, a lot of people out there, actual experts out there that can explain it better than I can, but I just know that's just like my experience, some other people experience. I would not recommend to just jump straight into it. I just wouldn't do it. So, because starting out a 16-8 method might be kind of difficult, you know, if you're just kind of used to just eating whenever, you know, because that's all you're doing. You're just trying to restrict, like, you from eating whenever you feel like it, you know, and just crack down on that time span, and then it gets smaller and smaller, and before you know it, you'll be able to do an alternate day fast, no problem. Okay, don't mind the dirty mirror, y'all, but this is what we looking like. I'm about to do my little workout. I'm nearing the end of my second fasting day this week, and I'm not really, like, I'm not hungry. That's not the problem. Like, I'm not hungry, but what I am is, like, I don't feel like I'm coming down. Like, I'm not gonna say that I'm not. I just don't feel like I am coming down. Usually I feel light and all that stuff, but we're gonna see. Like I said, right now, sis is not feeling like she's coming down. And this is my second alternate day fast this week. So let's just stay tuned, see what Saturday brings, and go from there, because it's already Thursday. So we have tomorrow. Like I said, I am gonna work out, but I'm not gonna do my regular HIIT workout though. I'm gonna go ahead and work out and do just like I don't want to say just like, but I'm gonna walk at a higher pace on an incline. So I'll probably go up to maybe like a 8 incline or something like that at about 3.5, whatever the little speed, you know, the little speed on there. So that's what we're gonna do, and we gonna see. All right. 94.6. Okay. Okay, so I'm actually getting to you guys a little late today, but you did see that weigh-in this week. So last week we weighed in at 195.8, and today we weighed in at 194.6, I believe. Now, don't get me wrong, you know, I'm happy about the progress and all, but I would be lying if I didn't say that I was a little disappointed that, I mean, I didn't eat for 2 whole days, and it only moved down about 1.2 pounds. So yeah, I don't know, y'all, but I had a lot going on today. My son's birthday party was today, and so I still have, my parents are still, they're at our house even though we didn't have a party here. But anyways, let me get off of here. Next week, I think I plan on doing another 2 days, but hey people, I think I am planning on doing another 2 days next week, but depending on how those results are, we might be going back to our regular intermittent fasting schedule, because I was getting around the same with eating every single day. Okay, so it's almost like that first week, you know, up weight, but it trickles down real fast according to at least what I've seen this week. So stay tuned, stick with me. We are still making progress. We're still down 1.2 pounds. Hold on one second. And you know I'm gonna say, if you're not subscribed already, what are you waiting on? Hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below, even if you just say, hey girl, what's up? And until the next time, bye.